All right, for this next one, it looks a little different, but we've done one like this already. Which expression could be used to figure out what number goes in the empty box above? So I'm looking at this box right here. You could probably tell 1, 3, 5, 7. All right, so we need a 7 there. But we're looking for an expression, so obviously 7 is not a choice here. So let's take a look at what's going on. All right, so this is the table. I've copied it over here. As I look here, all of the input values are going up by 1. So like from here to here, that's plus 1. From here to here, that's plus 1. So they're all going up by 1. And all of these are going up by 2. So here to here is plus 2. We said that this is going to be 7. So from here to here is plus 2. Here to here is plus 2. Okay, so we basically have, we have this plus 2 every time. Now, again, this is going to be our constant rate of change, plus 2. So remember what I told you before, we're going to say 2n. Now, we're going to have, we're going to have, we're going to have to check this now to make sure that it works. So if I plug in these numbers, they should work. So let's plug in 0. Well, 2 times 0 is 0, but I need a 1 there. So to make it work, I got to add, to make this work, I got to add 1. So now let's try it. So now we get 2 times 0 is 0, plus 1 is 1. Now let's try the next one. 2 times 1 is 2, plus 1 is 3. Okay, that worked, good. Okay, 2 times 2 is 4, plus 1 is 5. All right, so you know what? We just figured out our expression. This 2 times n plus 1 will work. Let's find it. N times 2 plus 1. That's the same as 2 times n plus 1. So I like A as my choice. Again, without having to do all of this, you could actually take these input numbers in and check it yourself. So right away, you could take 0, put it in there. 0 times 2 is 0, plus 1 is 1. Okay, that worked. Take it here. 0 times 1 is 0, plus 1, that's 1. Okay, so B works too. 0 plus 1 is 1. Okay, so that works too. 0 times 1 plus 6, so that'd be 6. So D is not a good choice at all. Now let's plug 1 in. 1 times 2 is 2, plus 1 is 3. So that works. 1 times 1 is 1, plus 1 is 2. So that does not work because I need a 3. And 1 plus 1 is 2. So that doesn't work either. So see how you can just take the numbers that they give you for as inputs, plug them in to make sure that it works. All right.